Boeni region is continually suffering the harmful effects of climate change, successions of drought and torrential rains causing erosion, flooding, and progressive soil degradation. The peasants of Andronofasca, Saramandrusu, and Manernerna suffer from the consequences every year.
Anton'izany ny resaka momba ny afo ny aloha voalohany eo ihany koa ny fahazaran'ny olona izay mamboly amin'ny tany izay miraika zany.
Ny zavatra ataony tetikasa amin'izao fotoana izao dia manentana ny olona tsirairay mihitsy izay voakasika izay. Indrindra ny fampiarahana ny fanaovana ny teknika na ny ZDT moa zany na ny fitantanana maritra ny nofotany.
GIZ ProSol offers a solution, sustainable land management or SLM, and the supervision of farmers in collaboration with SDMAD and the NGO Mazava to set up a sustainable agriculture. SLM starts with reforestation to fight against erosion.
Ny tanimbary moa zany ato amin'ny commune Andronofasca dia efa presque amin'ny hektara maro no efa simba tanteraka zany.
Then there is the restoration of the fertility of soil in a state of degradation. Different methods are used. First, the use of legumineuses such as cashewness and mucuna to make the soil always moist and more fertile. Then there is the association of crops such as groundnuts, cowpeas, vigna radiata, and soybeans.
Ny antony dia ny apemba na hoe sorgho ny terme scientifique atao iarovana an'ireto antsoroko reto amin'ny resaka biby.
The association of crops makes it possible to obtain a better yield and helps effectively in the biological fight against insects. For example, the technique called milpa, which is a mixed symbiosis of different associated crops and where each crop benefits from the proximity of the other.
Izay indrindra no anisan'ny nahatonga ny tetikasa ny vohy fambolena soja amin'izao fotoana izao satria raha oharina ny fanafihan'ny bibikely ny lojy raha mihoatra ny soja dia somary ambanimbany kokoa ny fanafihana ny soja satria mbola volo vaovao izy io.
The SLM also recommends the use of organic fertilizer, already known by the population but very little practiced. The project recently introduced the production of compost and vermicompost.
Le tombony zany hitako haingampitombo aloha le izy. Aveo tsy de misy biby sahala amin'le fataonay andavanandro reny.
In sustainable land management, even unproductive land can still be exploited by transforming it into grassy strips planted with fodder to feed livestock and to protect fields against erosion.